Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have an unbagging, so let's see who it is from. Put that over there. Well, we don't need to save that. Alright, we have pre-stamped cross stitch. And this is from EverydayEDeals, D-E-A-L-S. And the first one, it's kind of a Christmassy one. I think it must have been in a Christmas mood. And it's a lantern with some Christmas ornaments and a little bit of holly. Let's see what this looks like. Now, this kit was $14.28. Get the scissors out of the way. We don't need them to get lost again. Let's see. So this is from DIY Cross Stitch. Yeah, it's just a little picture. I think it's full coverage, pretty much. Hang on here. Getting the thing out of there. So this is a 50 by 40. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Has 25 colors. It does have all the colors, DMC numbers, and the symbols, and then the number on the thread card. This whole pattern will match your canvas. So yeah, I thought we needed to get a couple Christmas things. And, you know, maybe even perhaps start some before it gets to be Christmas. You know what I mean? I don't have much luck with finishing Christmas projects by Christmas, so yeah, I can't stick with it long enough. But yeah, it's a nice printing, but it does need to be a little bit bigger, so I'm thinking these are one of the older ones. But you could certainly blow it up and see where it is. It is gridded along the top and down the bottom. So yeah, but it will match your canvas, so if you have to go looking for a symbol. This is an 11 count kit. Let's pull that open. There are 2 needles here, before I forget to say that, and the canvas is not serged. There is a sticker on here that is matching with the canvas and your paper pattern. So there's not a whole lot of threads here. There's a lot more background and snow and stuff like that. This must be your snow. And it looks like maybe a strip of 939. So you must not, oh, maybe that's for the stars on the lantern. Do you see the stars on the lantern? I don't know that you can or can't. Yeah. So, very pretty. Nice reds. Some dark greens, some brighter orangish red. You even have darker reds and even rust colors and grays. So nice conglomeration of threads here. Nice long threads. I do like them that way. They're easier to pull out. And the less stopping you have to make, the better. But yeah, nice, pretty colors. Let's take a look at the canvas. Okay, it's going to go sideways. Now you could probably, let me get the picture one more time. Go through there and, you know, outline stuff if you so desired. The pattern is not made like that, but you can do whatever you want to it. It's your kit and your pattern. Very nice big key, easy to read, very well printed. I do like that. This is fairly soft material for your canvas, which is nice. And I'm looking, oh, couldn't find my tape measure. Can't do this without a tape measure, right? It is 51.5. Now you do have a, it's like the edge of the bolt. Salvage edge, so sometimes they will give you more. So it is supposed to be 50, so you get a 1.5 centimeters more, a little over that. And this way it's just a tad over 40 centimeters. The actual picture is 39.5, which is 15.5 by, oh, I would say 12, pretty close to 12, which is 30.5 centimeters. So, yeah. Now you could cut that down a little bit if you wanted to for the 11 by 14, but, you know, to fit in an 11 by 14 frame, because you can take some off the edges there a little bit. But yeah, very nicely printed. Very nice kit. And I do like DIY brand. They have everything there for you to start. You're good. Now, I don't know if I've gotten this or not. I do have one with a pickup truck and some Christmas gifts. There's a little mark, like a grease pencil mark there. Let's see if I can get it off. Yeah, and it is a DIY cross stitch as well. And it was $14.67. But I just thought this was pretty with the pickup truck and the wreath and all the packages and everything. Make a nice Christmas package. Or, Christmas package. I'm looking at packages. Christmas cross stitch. Now, this also has 179, which is the product number down here, listed as well. Some do, some don't on these kits. It also has a paper pattern. Does have the product number and how big it is, not the squares per square. It has 25 colors as well. And it does have the colors, DMC, the symbols, and the number for the thread card. You would have to blow this up if you were going to use it. I know I would have. And it does have the gridding around here, the same as the gridding on your pattern, or your actual canvas. This will all match your canvas, so that's nice. Let's take a look at all these colors. There are 2 needles right here. This also is not serged. Let me shake it down a bit. You got lots of whites and various tones. You have one here, here, and here. I'm assuming that's for the snow, you know, and the shading, because there's lots of background, and then there's that sky. So, yeah, I wish they'd showed more of the truck, if you will. But, yeah, got some beautiful corals for that truck, and lots of reds for the packages, the wreaths, the bows, and browns. Just a nice variety. But you've only got 1 green. That's weird. Oh well, there is like kind of a paley green. And I guess maybe you might call that a greenish gray, which is even lighter. So I'm assuming that's all over there for between the wreath and some of the packages, I guess. I don't know. Doesn't have a terribly bright green. Maybe I'm missing something. No? No, that's the only green you have. Huh. That's kind of odd, isn't it? Very odd. But, you know, you have these other greens for the evergreens and the wreath down here. But the packages, it looks like it's a different color green. How weird. Alright. It'd be interesting to see how that all turned out. So, yeah, nice big pattern. Very nicely printed. Very easy to read. It's kind of lighter printed in a way. I don't know how to explain it. Kind of like it's opaque, but you can still see all the symbols, which is good. Nice big key. It doesn't even give you, it even gives you all the colors, you know, so you know what you're looking for. But yeah, and it does have product number, how big it is, and 2 needles. I know I told you that before. Some days I forget. Let's see how big this canvas is. There's no salvage edges this time. It's 52. Nice big wide margins though. By 38.5, so it's a little bit shorter, but you still have nice wide margins to stitch. The actual picture is 16 3/4 or 42.5 by 20, a little over 29 centimeters or 11.5. So it's about 11.5 by 16.5. So yeah, very nice. And this canvas is a little stiffer than the other one, but it's workable. I mean, after you get to stitching and everything and handle it a lot, you know, it'll start to break down. And sometimes I'll take the whole canvas and crunch it up, you know, in my hands and move it about, just to kind of break it up so it's easier to hang on to. But yeah, very nicely printed. Now, let's see. So that's all we have from Everyday E-Deals. They do have free shipping over $80. That's worldwide. I don't know if that's changed or not. If it has, I'll put it in the description below. They have cross stitch and diamond painting. They have crafts and tools for both of those. They have paint by number, but no tools. I don't know if they have any crafts, you know, like a fan or this or that. But they do have paint by number, you know, pictures. They do have jigsaw puzzles. They have beaded embroidery. Basically just the key size, you know, ones. The little tiny ones, not a picture. I wish they would get those. They do have some home decor, which has sun catchers, energy power towers, solar lamps, resin sculptures. So they have a wide variety of crafting type things, or things that have already been crafted, you know, like the resin products, that kind of thing. And they do have the blind box thing. I believe it's on diamond painting only. I'm not real sure. You get 1 to 5 kits, so that's $3.99 to $19.99. So if you got 5, you would pay $19.99, and they would send you 5 miscellaneous kits, or diamond painting kits. They do have custom in diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. So do check them out. Thank you, Everyday E-Deals, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.